Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a holiday card. So let's begin by mentioning the things you cannot do on this template. So you cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. So the artwork on this template is the bottom portion here, this section right here, and the gold shape. On the back of the card, you cannot change the color of the social media icons and the background. Everything else on the template can be changed. You can change the background color, the color of the text, the font type, and the size. And that goes for all the text within the template. On the back of the card, again, as I mentioned, you cannot change the color of the social media icons and the graphic. You, however, can change the color of the template itself, and you can change it, and it's going to blend in perfectly well. You can change the background color here as well. You can change the color of the lines for the border. Each section here is grouped, so that means you can move everything together at once. If you want to ungroup it, just click, go to the top right and click ungroup. And now you can select each section on its own and start modifying or changing the text. Let's upload our logo here. So just click on the placeholder, delete. Make sure you upload your logo to Canva. Once uploaded, just select. And scale down to whatever size you would like. My logo has a transparent background, so it's going to blend in perfectly fine with the template. If your logo has a color background like this one, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down to the section called Frames, select Circle, click and drag, and now it's going to blend in with any color that you choose for the background. You have your Spanish template below, the front and back side, along with your social media icons. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have a fabulous weekend.